Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and as you can see, we've got those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after the reset. And here it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be, so it can be video, photo, portrait, whatever. Just enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom. Here we've got reset settings option, so let's tap on it and simply confirm it. As you can see, we've been automatically transferred to the camera and we cannot see the green lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset the settings, the camera settings, of course. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.